What's going on, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to find out if it is possible to make ChatGPT generate images. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So I tried every possible way to generate an image in ChatGPT, but unfortunately, it was not able to do so. So here it says that it actually cannot display images directly, or it can't generate external links. So with that being said, there is no possible way to generate pictures or images in ChatGPT. However, there is another way to do this. In your web browser, go to ChatGPT imagegenerator.org, and you will be taken into this website. Now from here, click on Get Started for free, and you need to fill out this information right here. Now once that's done, you will be taken to your dashboard, and from here click on AI images, and here you can start typing a prompt to generate a picture. So for example, we can write down green leaves outside the fence. Then you can add more details, different trees, and then you can say add a few birds flying around, and click on generate. So here we can see the result. You can click on it to make it bigger. You can also click on advanced settings to reveal more settings that you can use. So here you can change styles, and you can also change lighting style. You can have the mood, and also the resolution and number of image you want to see. So for example, let's change the resolution to the large image, and number of images, let's select 2. Lighting style, let's choose warm. Mood, let's choose calm. And art style, let's try pencil drawing. And let's use the same prompt and click on generate, and let's see what's gonna happen. Now here we can see that we have 2 variations of the picture, and we notice that they are just the same size even though we change the resolution. But once you click on it, we will see that these new images are actually bigger when you open them. And this is the first one. We can see that it is actually relatively small. Alright, so there you have it, guys. This is how you can generate pictures in ChatGPT Image Generator AI. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.